Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple organic pesticide right from your kitchen. As you can see, this is one of a very common plant from India. This is neem and it has multiple health benefits. The scientific name is Azadirachta indica. It soothes red, itchy skin associated with acne, burns, rashes. It's also a natural substitute for anti-aging products and as also used as a protective agent against skin damage which has occurred because of ultraviolet radiation. So this is a very good and effective tree which is used in a lot of human health medicines. We use it. People do chew it even during high blood sugar levels. So this is a very common tree and it has a lot of health benefits. But today we are going to use it as a pesticide for our deer plants. And what we need only two things I've shown you. We need leaves. I have washed them and they have been dried for a day in the sun. And we are using oil. This is your choice. Whichever oil is available can be used. We can use coconut oil or we can use sesame oil, til ka tel या फिर नारियल का तेल. We can use any of the oil whichever is available and both of the oil can serve our purpose. So let's get started. So we don't need branches, we only need leaves. So I'm taking out the leaves from the tender branches and we'll be collecting it in a plate and then we are going to heat up. So it's up to you how you want to proceed. I'm going to put it in oil first and then later we are going to add water. But you can also boil the neem leaves first in water and then you can add oil. So it's up to you. You can have the both the techniques works wonders. Either you put it in oil first and then put water, or you can put it in water, boil in water and then put oil. Both the techniques can work. I am putting coconut oil in a vessel. Just see how much you require. I've put about 5-6 spoons of oil and I am now put it on a medium flame and now I am putting the neem leaves into it. You can hear a little bit of crackling sound because of the water content which can be present in leaves. That's completely okay. And we are going to simmer it for about 10 minutes so that whatever are the nutrients, it will be infused into the oil and the oil can be used for the further use. So just the leaves are it's getting done. If you want to add more oil, you can add. This oil is also very effective against hair fall, very effective against hair fall and dandruff. But the purpose of making this oil today is completely different for me. I'm going to use it as a pesticide. So almost doing it for 5-7 minutes on the medium flame. Then we are going to switch off the gas and cover this thing so that all the essential nutrients that we want, the properties that we want from the neem comes into the oil and then the oil can be used. So after cooling down of this neems into oil, ये 2 घंटे के बाद we are now sieving them and we are going to sieve it into a bowl and we are going to use it. So I'm trying to extract all the traces of oil which have come up. Whatever is left, I'm going to take out everything. And then we have to add, now this neem oil is ready. I have made the neem oil on my own. You can use, it is also available in market with different brands. But if I'm asking for organic things, I generally try to make everything as original as possible. So I have utilized the neem tree from my society and taken the leaves. Now we have to add water into this pesticide. We're going to add water into it. I'm adding almost like half a liter of water because I don't have many plants to cater to, but you can make it like up till 5 liters of water. And this is what I have done. This is my neem oil. Now, this will be sieved again so that all the leaves goes, and then it is going to be used in the plants. Neem oil is very effective because it is an insecticide, it's a fungicide, it kills many pests while you spray it on the leaves, and it is used to control pests like whitefly, aphids, Japanese beetles, moth larvae, scales, spider mites, tomato hornworms, corns, and even are believed to repel earthworms, earworms, snails, nematodes, mealybugs, cabbage worms, moth, cockroaches, flies, termites, and even mosquitoes. So it's effective against almost every kind of insect. So this is a very potent pesticide which we can make easily in our home. I'm now going to shift it into a spray bottle, and then we are going to use it on plants. Now I have shifted my neem oil into a spray bottle, and I am using it on my indoor plants. You can see a bamboo palm here, pothos and money plants. So I am using it. You can use it on your indoor plants which are pest infested. You can use it on your outdoor plants. It is effective for all the plants, whether they are ornamental or they are edible, even on edible, because neem oil is supposed to have no harmful effects even on human beings. So this oil is very effective against a range of pesticides, and it's completely natural and safe for human beings. So I am showing you, that's why I'm spraying it on my indoor plants, and it has to be sprayed on the roots. The neem oil will be absorbed through the roots of the plant, and whatever pests are present will be killed, and there is no harm to us. So we can use it without any guilt even into our indoor plants, the ornamentals, the edibles, the outdoor plants. Wherever you see any kind of pest, neem oil is one of the best pesticides that can be used. If you like it, do subscribe, share with your friends, and thank you for watching.